What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some Dogecoin, right? Because right now we're looking into some very interesting numbers as we look at Dogecoin in the danger zone. Okay, so how we could possibly see a bearish reversal take down the price of Dogecoin 40%. That's what we're going to be talking about right here in this video. And full disclosure, this is not intended to be FUD. It's just something that I want to kind of debunk for you guys. So make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video. Also, subscribe down below. If you guys hold Dogecoin, you should always be subscribed to this channel because we talk every single day. We talk Dogecoin right here on the Crypto Mark, and let's get down into it, okay? So this is what we're looking at. All right, this is coming out from beincrypto.com, where this danger zone that Dogecoin has found itself in, and how we could see a bearish reversal slashing the prices of Doge almost 40%, okay? So that's where we could look at Doge possibly revisiting some of these previous lows. And this is something where we look right now that investors' behavior, according to this article, do not appear very bullish. Now, I want to talk about that for a second because I tend to disagree, right? We saw a lot of accumulation, a lot of huge whale movements within Dogecoin as it just seemed to hit 22 cents out of nowhere, okay? Things like that just don't happen in crypto. When there's no catalyst, there's nothing moving the markets, right? Yeah, it's anticipation of the halving. Yeah, Bitcoin and Dogecoin are eerily similar in their mechanisms and why they're all involved with some of their, Dogecoin basically built on the premise of how Bitcoin was created. But that's more than that. That's more than what you can just basically connect the dots with. It's 22 cents out of nowhere. We saw a huge price uptick for Dogecoin. And now as we look at the trading view, we can show you guys exactly what's going on with the chart. For me, it's something a little bit different, okay? This is what trading view is showing, right? We got this momentum up flash, and then boom, upwards. Now we're trading above 20 cents all of a sudden, okay? So that's very important to be tracking. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, I want to show you right here. This is where we hit those highs, right? And then all of a sudden we have a little bit of a correction, boom, get a little bit of a bounce, and then boom, more of a correction. So these two fall-offs right here is historically what we see on the charts. Not financial advice, just giving you guys my opinion, okay? But this is historically what we see before the Bitcoin halving. Two soft corrections, and then boom, the Bitcoin halving, and then we start the next 12 to 16 months of basically being in that fun zone, okay? But this is where the momentum up has flashed. Now we're trading above the moving averages, and we're bouncing off. So this is very bullish, a very bullish sign for Dogecoin. It would not shock me one bit if Doge got over 22 cents. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. But for some reason, this article came out, and now they're talking about Dogecoin is showing a little bit of a drawdown, okay? And what they're attributing this to is the rising profit taking that will trigger profit taking among Doge holders, okay? Realizing that within the MVRV, that ratio is showing that that's standing at 9.2% profit, which may indicate that selling will continue. Well, that's why I don't like to use all of these indicators and factors and metrics because within what we're seeing within crypto, if something happens where we just start an outstanding bull cycle right here and it just absolutely takes off, we see Bitcoin, people are calling 85,000 very closely. If that was to happen, the MVRV really means nothing. It means diddly squat, okay? Because that's what's going to be attributed to all of these investors that are in profit. They have no reason to sell. They're going to ride Dogecoin upwards to the moon. They're going to stay on their holdings, and the run will continue. So take it with a grain of salt, but what we're looking at is this analysis where essentially we can dive into the Be in Crypto article that I'm going over right now, that what they're saying is that the profitable supply is at 90%. So looking at the market top, we're seeing Dogecoin right now on the charts brush upon that last local high around 22 and some change on the chart. That's where they're looking at for a lot of profit taking. So if we look for this run to continue, we bust through 22 cents, then that'll be your indication that people are holding, all right? And that's kind of what we're looking at. So in the next coming days, it's going to be very important, and that's where they look into a 40% correction. I highly disagree. That would mean from where we are at right now, that's where we would see essentially Dogecoin be at 12 cents. I don't really see it. They're looking for their price target at 12 cents and 7, which is nearly a 40% correction. So I don't see it. I think 22 cents is going to be kind of that breakthrough moment where Dogecoin says, okay, we're here to stay. Because like I said earlier in the video, we don't get that movement as a preemptive strike. There was no pumps. There was no artificial news. There was no rumors. Nothing with Dogecoin and X. Nothing with Dogecoin and Elon Musk. Nothing on those fronts, okay? This is just serious water that is the whales that are swimming in it. It is moving upwards into the green. That's why we saw this right here on the chart, in my opinion. That's why we saw this little run up here, right? Once this momentum up flashed right here at 12.9, getting as high as that 22.7. Okay, so that's why it's very important that I do want to take time to talk about one of my channel sponsors. This is xtalgo.com. All right, it is my trading indicator. And just using xtalgo on a 2-hour candle, right, in a window of about 11 days and 8 hours, from momentum up to momentum down, you could have realized a gain of 64.7%, and then get momentum down flashes, and boom, from just this time period to where we are at now, from this next momentum up, 17.2% you could have saved off the table in just less than a week at 5 days and 6 hours. So check it out. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, also a 20% off promo code if you use my link down below with the promo code NYFC in the description. So make sure you guys all check it out. It's truly invaluable within crypto trading. If you guys trade every single day for as much money as it costs to use XT Algo on a monthly, yearly plan, it's simply stupid if you're not trading with XT Algo, because guys, it simply works. Okay. As always though, nobody has that crystal ball within crypto, and this is not intended to be financial advice, but I want to thank you guys for all watching this video. It's going to be very fascinating to see what Dogecoin does in this so-called danger zone. If we can, prove this article correct and see a 40% off, 40% bearish run for Doge. I highly disagree. I think Dogecoin is going to see 30 cents very, very closely in time. So that's kind of where I'm at. That's why I said this is not intended to be FUD. I'm just kind of debunking the FUD and giving you guys my own personal beliefs as it relates to the #1 meme out there, the top 10 crypto that lies within the Doge. So thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe down below on your way out. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.